Hello everyone, I'm Jenny and I do marketing. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to use software to automatically retweet and comment on posts on X, formerly Twitter, using multiple accounts. This feature is perfect for boosting engagement, creating viral momentum, and saving tons of manual work. Let's get started. First, open software and go to the viral marketing function. Here you will see many features like post thread, comment by keyword, and more. But today we will choose seeding tweet, the feature used for retweeting and interacting with existing posts. Now let's set up our script. You can choose the number of concurrent threads, meaning how many accounts will run at the same time. You can set it as high as you want depending on your system. Next, set each seeding account to interact with 2 or 3 posts, and you can adjust the interval between action. For example, up to 20 seconds to make it look more natural, like a human being. Next, choose the type of interaction you want your account to perform. You can like post comment, and most important, repost. For commenting, choose comment type by input file. Next, enter your comment content, something simple like great, good, nice, or bright. You can prepare a list of comments to make them more diverse and natural. Now go to the X, our Today application, and find the post you want to post. Copy the link of that post, then come back to the software and paste it here. This tells the software exactly which post to retweet and comment on. Next, select the account list that you want to use for this task. You can either few accounts or even 100 depending on your campaign. Once everything is set up, just press start, and now your account will begin retweeting, liking, and commenting automatically. You will see a real-time action happening, just like a real user engaging with the post. As you can see, the software works smoothly. Every account performs like, comment, and retweet automatically. This function is super helpful for saving time and manpower, also making your interaction look natural and consistent. Here is the easiest way to create organic-looking engagement across multiple accounts. And that's how you can auto-retweet and engage posts on X using software. If you want to try this feature or get the full step, I will leave my WhatsApp contact here, or you can get it in the comment section. Also, you can contact me by my Telegram. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more tutorials. See you in the next one.